Imran Khan was taken into custody at his home in Lahore soon after the verdict was read. The judge found him guilty of concealing money he earned by selling state gifts he received as Prime Minister in a case known as Tosha Khana. The judge ruled his dishonesty has been established beyond doubt. But Khan and his party have rejected the verdict.
My dear Pakistani fellows, I have only one appeal. Don't sit at home silently. You have to protest peacefully until you get your rights.
Some protests broke out in Peshawar, the capital of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. But the situation in the country has largely remained peaceful. The government insists justice has been done.
If anyone has any doubt that Imran Khan has been politically victimized, that is not true. Investigation and trial took 15 months, and the detailed court verdict is here. It's written categorically in that verdict that Imran Khan was given an opportunity to defend himself.
Khan was elected Prime Minister in 2018, but was removed from power in a no-confidence vote in Parliament in April last year. He has been facing a series of cases from corruption to sedition since then. Khan has always dismissed these charges as politically motivated.
I think this is a clearly violation of the Constitution of Pakistan. He was not given a fair chance of trial since he is fighting for this case, the illegal and the false case which has been registered against him.
When someone is arrested, of course, you might have done something wrong. We know that he had a Tosha Khana case against him. The court decides what is the truth, but what happened was Imran Khan did not appear before the court.
With Pakistan set to go to the polls in November, Khan is believed to have still enjoyed considerable public support. In addition to the prison sentence, part of the conviction is that Khan is barred from politics for 5 years. But this is not the end of the road for one of Pakistan's most popular politicians. The former Prime Minister has the option to challenge his sentence in the High Court. But for now, Khan's political fate is hanging in balance. Kamran Yusuf, TRT World, Islamabad.